Starting Adobe Animate CC. Before starting Animate CC, you need to install it on your computer. To start the Adobe Animate CC, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click on the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu appears. Step 2. Click on the Adobe Animate CC 2018 program. The welcome screen of the Adobe Animate CC 2018 will open. Creating a document in Animate CC. To create a document in Adobe Animate CC, perform the following steps. Step 1. Open Animate CC. Step 2. Click on the File, New option from the menu bar. The New Document dialog box opens. Step 3. Under the General tab, select the Action Script 3.0 option from the Typed section. Step 4. On the right-hand side, set the dimensions for the stage by entering new pixel values for the width and height. We have used default values. It is best to keep the ruler units as pixels. Step 5. Choose the background color as white. Step 6. Click on the OK button. A new document is created. Components of the Animate CC window. Menu bar, Stage, Pasteboard, Properties panel, Tools panel, Playhead, Timeline. Stage. The stage is the main work area in Animate that is used while creating a project. Videos, graphics, buttons and all other elements can be organized on the stage. It is a rectangular area where we can create drawings or import contents. Default width and height of the stage is 550 by 400 pixels. Timeline. The timeline is a panel at the bottom of the stage. It is divided into frames. We can control the timing for the appearance and motion of various graphics and other elements of a project. We can use the playhead, which is similar to a cursor, to navigate through the project to any desired frame across the timeline. Tools panel. The Tools panel contains a set of tools to choose from, such as drawing tools, text tools and selection tools, etc., which are used to create or modify objects as required in the project. The following table represents a snapshot of the Tools panel and the respective tools available in Animate CC. Selection. Selects objects on the stage. An object must be selected before it can be modified. Subselection. Selects objects or parts of objects by dragging a rectangular selection marquee. Modifies specific anchor points in a line or curve. Free transform. Moves, scales, rotates, skews or distorts objects. Lasso. Selects objects or parts of objects by dragging a free-form selection marquee. Pen. Draws lines or curves by creating a series of dots that are automatically connected. Text. Creates and edits text. Line. Draws straight lines, that is strokes of varying lengths, widths and colors. Rectangle. Draws rectangles of different sizes and colors. Press and hold Shift key to draw a perfect square. Oval. Draws oval shapes. Press and hold Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Pencil. Draws freehand lines and shapes. Brush. Draws or paints with brush-like strokes. Ink bottle. Applies color, thickness and styles to lines. Paint bucket. Fills enclosed areas of a drawing with color. Eye dropper. Picks up styles of existing lines, fills and text and applies them to other objects. Eraser. Erases lines and fills. Hand. Moves the view of the stage and work area. Zoom. Increases or reduces the view of the stage and work area. Properties panel. It is also called Property Inspector. This panel displays the different properties of the object which is selected. We can edit the properties of the selected object by changing the settings of the object from the Property Inspector. Sometimes the Property Inspector may not be visible. Then select the window. Go to Properties option from the menu bar. Library panel. The library panel contains the objects that are either created or imported. These objects in the library panel can either be reused in the project or exported to another project. Menu bar. The menu bar contains commands for certain functions like opening, editing, saving files, etc. in Animate CC. Saving a document in Animate CC. After completing your work, you need to save your Animate CC document. Perform the following steps to save your document. Step 1. Click on the file. Go to Save As option from the menu bar. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 2. Type the file name in the File Name box. Step 3. Click on the Save button. Creating shapes in Animate CC. Every graphic project in Animate CC starts with a shape. A shape consists of two components. Fill, the inside of the shape. Stroke, the outline of the shape. Let's draw a rectangle on the stage. Step 1. Select the Rectangle tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Choose Stroke and Fill Color from the bottom of the Tools panel. Step 3. Drag the mouse on the stage to draw a rectangle. Step 4. We can change the width of the stroke from the Properties panel. After changing the width, the rectangle will appear as shown. Gradient Fill. The fill is the inside of the drawn object. You can also use a gradient or a bitmap image, such as a JPEG file, as a fill, or you can specify the object to have no fill at all. In a gradient, one color gradually changes into another. Perform the following steps to use gradient fill. Step 1. Select the rectangle object on the stage. Step 2. Select the Selection tool. Step 3. Open the Color panel by clicking on the window. Go to Color option from the menu bar. Step 4. In the Color panel, select Fill Color, the paint bucket icon, and choose Linear Gradient from the Color Type menu. Step 5. From the Color panel, select the color pointer on the left end of the color gradient definition bar, that is, the triangle above it turns black when selected, and then type 00D4BD in the hex value field to specify a light tan color. Press Enter key to apply the color. Step 6. Now select the far right color pointer and then enter FFA310 for a dark tan color. Press Enter key to apply the color. Creating a symbol in Animate CC. A symbol is a reusable object that we can use for special effects, animation, or interactivity. Symbols are stored in the library panel. When we drag a symbol, Animate creates an instance of a symbol. An instance is a copy of a symbol which is located on the stage. A symbol can contain JPEG image, drawings, etc. There are 3 types of symbols in Animate. Movie clip symbol, used to create animations. We can apply color settings, blending modes, and filters in this symbol. Button clip symbol, used to insert and manage interactivity. It needs a code or a program to remove work. We can apply color settings, blending modes, and filters in this symbol. Graphic symbol, used to build more complex movie clip symbols. We cannot apply color settings, blending modes, and filters in this symbol. To create a symbol, perform the following steps. Step 1. Click on the file. Go to Open option from the menu bar. Select the desired file from the Open dialog box and click on the Open button. Step 2. Select the rectangle tool from the Tools panel. Step 3. Use the stroke color and fill color in the Properties panel to select the required outline and fill color from the color picker for the object. Step 4. Click on the Drawing mode in the Tools panel to select the Object Drawing mode. Step 5. On the stage, draw a rectangle holding down the left mouse button. Step 6. Click on the Selection tool in Tools panel. Step 7. Click and select the rectangle on the stage. Click on the Modify, go to Convert to Symbol option from the menu bar. Step 8. The Convert to Symbol dialog box appears. Enter a suitable name for the symbol and click on OK button. The new symbol is listed in the Library panel.